Welcome to the beautiful Casa Vistas del Pacifico. This breathtaking home is located in beautiful Playas del Coco, Guanacaste, Costa Rica. Casa Vistas del Pacifico has won several awards and has been featured in multiple magazines and books highlighting Latin American architecture. This amazing home has an open floor plan, seamlessly blending the inside and the outside. We have the beautiful living area, kitchen, and dining all in one spot. This home was designed by Costa Rican architect Victor Canas and built by Tom Terry of Constructam. Featuring 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms with 3,700 square feet and set overlooking Playas del Coco Bay. Casa Vistas del Pacifico is a luxury home that intertwines nature, comfort, and optimizing ocean views in every direction. The best way to enjoy Costa Rica's 5-star sunsets is when you have this amazing infinity edge pool. Imagine waking up to these beautiful views with your own personal infinity edge pool. The master bathroom offers a luxury jacuzzi overlooking the infinity edge pool and the bay. Casa Vistas del Pacifico blends inside and outside living with this beautiful rock base and the architecture that blends it. Casa Vistas del Pacifico is currently rented as a successful vacation rental. It could also make an amazing primary residence or a second home. Playas del Coco is a vibrant town located just a short 15-minute walk from Casa Vistas del Pacifico. You have everything at your fingertips, including shopping, dining, medical, banking, and more. Playas del Coco is an amazing area, perfect for swimming, mild currents, and wonderful to take in all of the Pacific views. Thank you for touring Casa Vistas del Pacifico here in Playas del Coco, Costa Rica. We hope that you will make this your forever home. With an amazing view, an amazing backdrop, and surrounded by jungle, there's definitely no better place here in the area.